Yo, what's going on, guys? We made it. Beautiful day. Beautiful day to be an AMC shareholder. Boy, they did not want that thing going over 60, did they? We'll touch on that in just a second. But look at my bottom of my screen here. It's 87 degrees at 10 o'clock, after 10 o'clock at night here in Seattle. It was 109 today. I almost melted. That is hot. Broke all sorts of records here in the state. But enough of that. I'm alive. I'm hydrated. I'm well. Very, very interesting here. At about, let's just call it 12:30, okay? We're at 59.03. Between 12:30 and being at a little over $59 within an hour, they brought this down. Let's just say $57. So basically a little over a couple bucks, right? 10 million shares sold off in this time frame. Look familiar? Sound familiar? This is not natural movement, guys. And then again, we consolidated right at that $58. Well, a little bit higher than we did last week, but still. This thing bust 60. I know we've been hearing this. I've been saying it for about 2.5 weeks now. It's good night, Irene. And with this news coming out today, this afternoon, another bullish piece of news for us. Let's hop in a couple things and then we will touch on that, the news of the day. Remember the old repo market? I brought this up 3 weeks ago-ish when it was at 450 billion, 450. This is about a couple weeks ago, 547. But did you see today's numbers on a Monday frickin' morning? 803 with 75 participating counterparties. Jesus, man. You talk about, we got a problem here, folks, with the whole entire everything. Every single thing. But, man, that is double. We thought we were high at 450 or whatever, which was. We're double that. Gosh, man, we're going to bust something here. The entire world. This is funny, pretty comical on a bunch of levels here, but Baird, anybody heard of Baird? I'll show you these fine folks in just a second, but Baird suspends GameStop stock coverage, citing continued Reddit influence and lack of company plan. This was published today. Baird is throwing in the towel on GameStop coverage, saying speculative trading by retail investors making it hard to give reasonable recommendations on the stock. I never heard of Baird until today, so I just wanted to make sure and find out and see I wasn't crazy. Here's just their Twitter page over here. For 100 years, Baird has strived to provide the best financial advice and services for clients and to be a best place to work for its associates. They've got 5,900 followers. I can't find an article anywhere. Who gives a rat's ass? Did Citadel pay these dudes to post this crap? And who gives a rat's ass? Jesus. Boy, the bots come out at night. We got shit flying all over the place. Excuse my French there, ladies. I know you guys don't care, but my Lord above us, it's getting thicker by the day. Let's check out on our boy, Dark Pool guy here, for your Monday bump report. 68.15 million shares worth of liabilities came tumbling off the Dark Pool holdings, bringing the total up to negative 556.09 million shares. Still 10% more than all outstanding shares. Short volumes at 51.62% in Dark Pool trades today, raising SP and keeping the iron grip on the old number one position. Thank you, Mr. Dark Pool guy, for your daily updates. Always appreciated. Appropriate elk over there on the AMC page. Gets thicker and thicker by the day. Now, on to the old news of the day. This was tweeted out by, I couldn't find the original tweet, but then I found Dave Lauer retweeted it. And then this one was shared over on Kongs from, shout out to Maverick for posting this here too. On June 25th and 28th, which is today, AMC made it the threshold security list on the NYSE, clearing any FTD's minimum 2.56 million shares, which is 0.5% of outstanding float. Still is not settled. Big thanks to Main STC for bringing this. I'm bullish. And then Dave Lauer reported it out a couple hours ago. I think he tweeted this, but this seems important. Stocks go on threshold lists from time to time, but I believe, he said, not sure, that they're usually small micro cap. Clearly, there was a ton of fails in AMC's was on that list. So we'll touch on what exactly that means in a second. The other thing I noticed that he tweeted out here too, Gorilla Gang, I think Maverick retweeted it. But look at these numbers, you guys. according to here with that Reddit post, I was going to try to find it, and I totally spaced it out before I started that video. But anyway, there's a whole post on it, what GME did. So anyway, GME made the list on 1/21, January 21st. The price the next few days, as you can see, 21st, 22nd, 25th. That was a weekend probably. But anyway, 21st, 43.03. 22nd, 65.01. 25th, 76.79. 26th, 147. 27th, 347. 128, 193. Then the following day at 3 1/4. So very, very interesting. We obviously got to keep our eyes peeled on that. This here is from investor.gov. Threshold securities. Threshold securities are equity securities that have an aggregate fail to deliver positions for 5 consecutive settlement days, registered clearing agency, NSCC, totaling 10,000 shares or more, and equal to at least 0.5% of the issuer's total shares outstanding. Threshold securities only includes issuers registered or required to file a report with the commission, reporting companies. For more information, blah, blah, blah. And then one over here from this craziness here. Is this what we're coming to? This was posted today here, but just take a listen to some of this. Lady Apes, we need you. We need to find out who this person is that did this article. Now we're bringing this into here as far as women. Okay, listen really, really quickly here. Meme stop hype can deter women from investing. Okay, go through this. She's talking about her godson there, whatever. So it perpetrates a number of myths about the very different real job of investing management, which in turn perpetuates the lack of gender diversity in the industry. The breathless coverage of meme stocks signals that investing is purview of high testosterone, risk-taking, fence-swinging bros who yell in online forums and go to war with rich hedge fund managers. It suggests successful investors rely primarily on instinct, not analysis. Then down here, this is what just, hello. I worry a young woman reading the meme stock coverage could conclude either that she is no match for the hype traders and or that she has no interest in working in an industry dominated by this personal type. Women are already being deterred from entering fund management in vast numbers. The industry gender imbalance is severe. Oh my gosh, are we going to get into this now? Come on, ladies, we need to hear from you. This is absolutely stupid. Ladies can make their own decisions. So can men. So can everybody else. We're buying the stock, holding the stock. We're not selling shit. Excuse my language again. Anyway, you guys, that is it. Expect a big week here. We're going to find more on this whole this madness here. This has got me really intrigued, especially the price range, or this here. That was incredible looking too. So who knows? They got to keep this thing above 60. We're going to break 60 tomorrow. I hope so. But boy, oh boy, all we need to see is this. They probably freaked out. Oh, down, away we go. Okay, guys, awesome. Love y'all. Talk to you next time. Bye-bye.